Evening. So yesterday we have discussed about the functions and methods present in the string. Like we have discussed nearly 21 methods, like character of index and length. If you want to find the length for the string, then you will go for the length method, and also concatenation, split method, to upper method, to lower method, to char array, is empty, index of index of toString, string dot value of substring, replace, starts with, ends with, and also compare to, equals to, equals ignore case, contains, and hash code. So these are the methods we have been discussed yesterday. And also I have told you what is the difference between the string buffer and string builder. String buffer is also used to represent the group of characters as a single unit. And coming to the string buffer, it is a mutable. So mutable is nothing but will change in the future or will modify. You will modify the content. So it is a thread safe. So now you'll go with the deep about the string buffer. Now, so where string objects will be created? Memory allocation. Memory allocation. The string buffer objects will be stored inside heap, not in the SCP. So when you consider the string can be declared in two ways, by using this string literal, and the another one is by using the new keyword. If you declare the string with the instance declaration, then memory allocation will be taken in the SCP. If you declare the string using the new operator, then the object will be stored in both SCP and heap area. Okay. So in coming to the string buffer, it will stored inside the heap only, not in the SCP. So this is the memory allocation for the string buffer. Okay. Now declaration. How to declare the string buffer declaration? How to declare the string buffer? So what is the string declaration? String s equal to content. Nothing but it is a in string literal type. Now I want to declare the string buffer. What is the keyword you have to use? What is the class? It is a string buffer is a class. String buffer SB equal to new string buffer. Hello. This is the one type of the declaration. Okay, now string buffer equal to new string buffer. Hello. This hello will be stored inside the heap memory, not in the SCP. So this is the one type of the declaration. Directly, I will pass the string as an argument for the string buffer. Okay, and also you can declare the string buffer using with size. So this is a string buffer declaration. So we have different types of constructors. You will pass directly here size of the string buffer string, nothing but you can pass the size, or also you can pass the string. Okay, so you'll see the some constructors. Constructor structors. Constructor, you have, by using the string buffer class, you have different constructors, different types of constructor. So first constructor is string buffer equal to new string buffer. I will tell in the future classes what is meant by constructor. Constructor a string buffer can be created by using the string buffer sb equal to new string buffer. It is a one type. And coming to the second type is you can pass the what is the size, what is the size of this string, integer size. You can pass this also, and also you can pass the here string, you can pass this string. This is the one type. These are the constructors provided by the string buffer. For what is meant by constructor, we'll discuss in the oops concept. Now this is the three types of constructor has been provided by the string buffer class. Now this is the first constructor. So in the second constructor, you have to declare the size for that, how much size it will be allocated for this string buffer string. So what is the size you have to declare for SB. So coming to the third constructor, you have to provide the string as an argument. So what will happen in the third? So directly it is converting this string object into a string buffer. Here the third constructor is telling that you can convert the string object into a string buffer. This is the conversion will be happen by using the constructor, third constructor. Okay, now everyone is clear about this one. How to declare the string buffer? What are the different ways to you can declare the string? You can declare the string buffer. These are the three ways you can declare the string buffer. Okay, so this is the memory allocation. It is string builder also same. Memory allocation will be taken inside the, yes, inside the heap only. Memory allocation will be taken inside the heap only. Everything is same for both string buffer and string builder, but the only difference is string buffer is a thread safe and string builder is not a thread safe. That is only the difference. Already you have discussed what is meant by thread safe and not a thread safe. Okay, so this is about the, so you can declare the declaration. The declaration for the string builder is same as the string buffer. So tell me, string builder, yes, be equal to new string builder. So here you can pass the argument hello. So hello has been created as a string builder class. Okay, everyone is clear. Everyone is clear. My voice is audible clearly.
It's audible.
Yeah, thank you. Okay, so this is the string buffer and string builder. So please let me know what is the difference between the thread safe and a not a thread safe. What is difference between the thread safe and not a thread safe? So yesterday I have explained about this one. Okay. Okay. Once again, I will explain about this one. So what is meant by thread safe and what is meant by not a thread safe. So I have one application. In that
Screen is
application,
not visible.
yeah, yeah, wait. So I have one application. In that application, it is a Facebook application. I have Facebook application. In the Facebook application, there is a add friends list, not a friends list. Friends list. In the friends list, I have names like Sai, Prasad. These are the names which has been declared using the string buffer or a string builder or a string class. Okay, so these are the members. These are the members accessing this friends list. Okay, he sends a request to the Sai. Sai will respond na. So he sends a response. This person will send the request to the Sai, and also he needs the response from the Sai. Response. Okay. So if I consider this Sai is a string type string buffer, let us consider the Sai is a string which comes under the string buffer class. Okay, so if you use the string buffer as a class, then if I send the request, at the same time the response will comes at that point of time only, it will move to the second person. Okay na. సో ఇక్కడ ఏం జరుగుతుంది అంటే చూడండి, అంటే ఈ ఫస్ట్ పర్సన్ అనేవాడు రిక్వెస్ట్ సెండ్ చేసినాడు. ఈ ఫస్ట్ పర్సన్ అనేవాడు రిక్వెస్ట్ సెండ్ చేశాడు. ఈ రిక్వెస్ట్ సెండ్ చేసాక మనకి రెస్పాన్స్ వస్తుంది నార్మల్ గా. కానీ ఇక్కడ ఏంటి, ఇక్కడ రిక్వెస్ట్ అనేది లోపల ఈ నేమ్ సెర్చ్ చేయడానికి 5 minutes పడుతుంది అనుకో, 5 minutes పడుతుంది అనుకో, రిజల్ట్ అనేది 5 minutes తర్వాత అవుతుంది కదా. మరి రిక్వెస్ట్ అనేది 5 minutes అంటే మనకి రెస్పాన్స్, ఒకసారి రిక్వెస్ట్ సెండ్ చేసాడు అనుకో, ఆ రిక్వెస్ట్ కి రెస్పాన్స్ రావడానికి 5 minutes పడుతుంది. సో అప్పటి వరకు ఈ పర్సన్ అనేవాడు యాక్సెస్ చేయడానికి ఉండదు కదా. అవును కదా. సో స్ట్రింగ్ బఫర్ అనేది అదే చేస్తుంది. అంటే ఒకసారి రిక్వెస్ట్ సెండ్ చేసాక రెస్పాన్స్ వచ్చే వరకు సెకండ్ పర్సన్ అనేది యాక్సెస్ చేయడానికి ఉండదు. అదే స్ట్రింగ్ బిల్డర్ అనుకో, ఈ పర్సన్ అనేవాడు రిక్వెస్ట్ సెండ్ చేశాడు, ఈ పర్సన్ అనేవాడు రిక్వెస్ట్ సెండ్ చేశాడు, ఈ పర్సన్ అనేవాడు రిక్వెస్ట్ సెండ్ చేశాడు, ఈ పర్సన్ అనే రిక్వెస్ట్ సెండ్ చేశాడు. అంటే అదర్ పర్సన్ యొక్క రిక్వెస్ట్ అనేది ఈ పర్సన్ యొక్క రిక్వెస్ట్ మీద డిపెండ్ అవ్వట్లేదు. సో ఎనీ టైమ్ ఎవరైనా యాక్సెస్ చేయొచ్చు. సో అదే స్ట్రింగ్ బిల్డర్. ఓకేనా, అర్థమైందా? ఇంకా క్లారిటీ ఏమన్నా? హలో, అర్థమైందా?
Yes.
అంటే స్ట్రింగ్ బఫర్ అంటే ఏంటంటే ఓన్లీ వన్ పర్సన్ యాక్సెస్ చేస్తాడు ఎట్ వన్ టైం. స్ట్రింగ్ బిల్డర్ ఏంటి, ఎనీ నెంబర్ ఆఫ్ పర్సన్స్ కెన్ బి యాక్సెస్డ్ ఎట్ ద టైమ్, ఎట్ ది సేమ్ టైం. ఓకే, సింగిల్ పర్సన్, మల్టిపుల్ పర్సన్ కెన్ బి యాక్సెస్డ్. ఓకే, సో నౌ సీ ది వాట్ ఆర్ ద methods present inside the string builder and the string buffer methods. So first method is append method. What is the append method will do? So what is the concat method? Concat method is used to add these two strings or combine these
Adding.
two. So this is about the append. So append is also used for the same as concatenation in strings. So whatever the concatenation method will be do in the strings, is same append method also will be do in the string buffer and the string builder class. Okay, now I will consider this true string buffer or a string builder. Okay, now so let us consider sb1 is a string buffer class and sb2 is the second string buffer class. Okay, so now I want to add these two strings, sb1 dot append of sb2. So now see the what is the difference between the s1 dot concat of s2 and sb1 dot sp dot. So what is the difference between string and string buffer? String is a mutable object. String buffer is a immutable object. Now see, sir, you are telling that string is a mutable and string buffer is a immutable object. Then what is the reality? That means what is the proof for it? So I will give the example to prove the immutable and mutable objects. So I have considered the two strings. Hi, good evening. This is just two strings. Now I want to concat of two strings. S1 dot concat of S2 sys out of S1. Okay. Now I am creating the string builder or a string buffer. Anything is okay. SB1 equal to new string of new string buffer of hello, hello, welcome to community. String 2 is the welcome to welcome to Java classes. Java 2 classes. Hello, welcome to Java classes. Okay, this is the first two string represents the it is a string class, and the second two strings represents the these two strings are comes under the string buffer class. Now I want to concat this both the strings s1 and s2 and also sb1 and sb2. Now I want to concat. For concatenation of string buffer class, what is the method we are using? Append method we are using sb2. Now I am printing the s1 and sb2. SB1, sorry, SB1 and S1. Okay, now what is the result for this? What is the result? So what is the output for this example? Please respond in chat box. What is the example? I am waiting for your response here. What is the output for S1? What is the output? Okay, very good. Okay, now S1. What is the value for S1? I will say S1 is high. Now what about SB1? So my output is hello, welcome to Java classes is my output. Now I will run the code. Okay. Now see, hi is the one output and hello welcome to Java class is the second output. Okay. Now why it has been changed? See here SB1 initially the SB1 is hello. Finally once I have append this SB2, the SB1 value has been changed. So this SB1 object is a mutable object. While checking with the S1 dot concat of S2, the S1 string will not change anything. Once I will change any string, it will create the new string. Now see S3. Whenever I modified the string object, it will create a new string. So S3 has a new string S1 dot concat of S2. So when any operation or any change has been done by the string, it will create the new string. So this is the example for it. Very good, very good. Everyone is clear about it. Okay, then coming to the next method is insert. Insert method is used to insert the objects based on index. Okay, so if I want to insert the any character in the middle of the string buffer class, then I will go for the insert method. In this, so I am creating the string buffer sb equal to new string buffer. So hello. Now I want to insert the I want to insert the string sb dot insert. I want to pass the index as well as the what you will be add, either is a object or a string or anything I can pass as an second argument. Okay, so you'll see the example on it. Sb dot insert. So at what position this object or a string will be added. So now I want to add the second position. So I want to add this second position as high. Okay, now see the what is the output. 0 1 high hello, it's llo. So this is the output we'll get for this expression. If I taken index as 2 and object or string is high, then output will be he hi hello. This is the output. So now tell me the what is the use of the length method. Tell me here, what is the use of the length method.
To find the length of the string.
To find the length for
Length
the
of the
string
string.
buffer class. To find the length for the given object. It is a string buffer object only. String buffer object. Okay. Now what is the capacity? Capacity. So this method represents the how much capacity the class object will be stored. So now what is the difference between the length and the capacity? There is a difference between this na? This length and capacity. Length gives the how many characters present on the string. So capacity means how many characters it will store, it will have capacity to store. So this is the difference. Now I want to reverse. What is use of the reverse? Reverse is used to reverse of a string. Let us consider the string buffer as a class. New string buffer. Hello. I have taken hello as an string. Now I am applying the sb dot reverse. Now what is the output? What is the value? Please let me know whether it will be create a new string or a it will modify the existing string only. Either it will create this statement will create a new string, or it will it will change the existing string. It will create the new string, or yeah, it will modify the existing string. When this line is executed, okay, it will modify. Very good. Only because string buffer is a modify. Very good, very good. So string buffer is a changeable object, so only this string only modify. So this first line sb represents the hello, coming to the second line sb represents the olleh. This is the output we'll get when you are applying the reverse method. Now what about the replace? If I already have discussed yesterday. Okay, so I think no need explain once again. So already discussed about the substring and also toString. What is the represent this toString?
To convert the string into string buffer.
No, string buffer. If you want to convert the string into string buffer, then we will go for this like this. We'll pass this string as an object here. Okay. Now I want to convert the string buffer or a string builder to string. At that point of time, you will go for this toString method. Convert the string to convert the string buffer or builder to string method. Okay, so now what about the delete caret? So if I want to delete any characters from the string, I will go for the delete caret. So in this argument I am passing integer index as an argument. Okay, so what about the delete? If I want to delete this substring, so at that point of time I will go for the delete starting index, and here you can pass the ending index plus one. Okay now, so this is the delete caret and the delete methods. Everyone is clear about this one? Delete caret and delete. So what is the difference? Delete caret and delete. Please be active here. What is the difference? Delete caret and delete. Delete caret means deleting the single characters from the string by using the indexing. Now I want to delete this substring. At that point of time, I will go for the delete method. So for delete method, I will pass the two arguments. The first one is the starting index and the second one is the ending index. Here always second argument is exclusive. That means if I have the values like 2 comma 5, 2 comma 5, it will delete the characters from 2 to 4. That means it will delete the characters second character, third character, fourth character only, but not delete fifth character. So that's the reason from 2 to a starting index comma ending index plus 1 we have to take. Okay, అర్థమైందా? Can I explain once again? So up to now we have been discussed everything. So many methods we have been discussed. Okay, anyone having any doubts? Can we go for the programs? I have give I have shared this document to you. Have anyone gone through that? Now first program, I want to find the length of the string. can I, can anyone know how to find the length of the string? So what is the method you will be use? I want to find the
Length of
length of. So write a program
length.
to find the length of the program, and please send in chat box. If you find the, I am considering the string str equal to, I am, this is the string I have been taken. Okay, so now I want to find the length of the string. So approach one, what is the approach one? Direct by using the inbuilt method. I will inbuilt method, I will find the length of the string. So what is the, if I need the length, what is the return type? You are telling that length is the method to find the length of the string. So what is the return type for this length method?
Integer.
So length is a integer. Now I am declaring the length, len equal to str dot length. Okay, so this is the, now I am representing the length. Length is, length of the string is len. Okay, now I am executing. What is the length? 1 2 3 7. The length of the string is 7. Okay, now what is the length? The length of the string India is 5. Okay, now this is the first approach to find the length of the string. Now coming to the second approach. What is the second approach? Anyone knows any other approaches rather than this inbuilt function? Rather this inbuilt function? Anyone knows? Or any idea about this? For each loop increase count. Okay, super. So always string ends with null character. Okay, empty character. Now I am representing the second approach. Approach 2. Approach approach 2 by using loop. So for integer I equal to 0, str dot caret of I is I plus plus. Okay, this represents the empty strings. So always the last character for the strings, always string ends with empty character. So that's the reason I have taken this condition. Now I am doing the count plus, we'll see what is the output. So I am declaring the count that is equal to 0. Okay, now after this, after I will printing the count value. Now see what is the values it will return. So it is getting the string index out of bounds. Okay, string index out of bounds. Okay, what is the size? It will be count is 5. You have to catch this exception. Okay, this is the case. In C program it is working fine, but coming to the Java we are throwing an error. Okay, this is the approach, first approach. Anyone having any doubts for finding the length of the string? Now coming to the second program. Okay, I will move to the git. Git it is better. Now write a Java program to reverse of the input string. Now I want to reverse the string. I want to reverse the string. What is the ways? What is the what is the method we are using to reverse of a string? Is there any methods present in the string? I have a method like str equal to hello is the method, is the string I have. Now I want to reverse this string. What is the logic or any methods present in the string class? Any string class will be present to reverse the, any string method is available to reverse of a string. So in the string there is no inbuilt method reverse. For that I have the string buffer. In the string buffer class I have a reverse method. So now firstly I will convert this allow into string buffer class. sb1 equal to new string buffer equal to str. Now what is going on this statement? We are converting the string class into string buffer class. Now I want to reverse this string. sb1 dot reverse is the method to reverse the string. Now what is the this type? Here string, it str is a string type. Here what is the sb1? What is the type of the sb1? Either it is a string buffer or a string builder or a string. It is a string buffer class. Input is a string. Then if I want to reverse this input string, what is the return type for the output? So return type for that output also it will be in the string format. Now I want to convert into a string. String str equal to string dot value of sb1. So this str represents the output of output for the given program. Okay, very good, Sai. You have taken the string buffer and your password is ISB1. Okay, but here I provided only the string class. So this is the approach to find the reverse. Okay, is everyone is clear? So there is nearly 3 to 4 approaches. So by using the string builder class, I will convert the I will I will do the reverse for the string by using the string buffer. Also, you can do by using the two char array. So firstly, I will convert the string into character array. So this is the approach. This is the one approach. Let us consider the approach one. This is the first approach. Now we'll see what is about the second approach. What about second approach? So by using the string two char array, what is the method? What is the this method is doing? Very good, Gautam. Yeah, yeah, two is also correct. You can use sb dot reverse dot toString also is correct. Okay, both string dot value of also is used to convert the object into a string. ToString is also a method used to convert the any object into a string method. Okay, string class. What is the second approach? I have two char array. What is the need of the two char array? What is the need of the two char array? Two char array is used to convert the string into character array. So I have the string like str equal to yes. I have a string str equal to hello. Now I want to make I want to use two char array to convert the string into character array. For that char array equal to str dot to char array in two char array. So here we are changing the string into character array. Now your task is now our task is convert the or our task is reverse the array arr. I want to reverse the char array. Okay, then I want to append the every character. Okay, this is the second approach. Are you getting? Are you getting this one? Anyone having any doubts up to till now? Can you try these examples? I have already provided the documentation and questions and interview questions also for you. Okay, can you try these sums? Okay, na these programs. That's the reason I have taken nearly 3 to 4 days for explaining the methods only. That is the main reason. Okay, So I will stop the recording.